In today's lecture, we'll discuss about the kinds of sentence and understand it with the help of examples. Let's start with the definition of sentence. A sentence is a grammatical unit that typically consists of a subject and a predicate and expresses a complete thought in a written or spoken form. A sentence can be a statement, a question, a command, or an exclamation. It is a sequence of words that convey a meaningful message or idea. With respect to purpose, the kinds of sentence are 1. Declarative sentence statement 2. Interrogative sentence question 3. Imperative sentence command 4. Exclamatory sentence exclamation. The first type is declarative sentences. They make a statement and they tells us something. They give us information and they normally end with a full stop period. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. The positive sentence is, I like coffee, while negative sentence will be, I do not like coffee. Similarly, we watched TV last night is a positive declarative sentence while we did not watch TV last night is a negative declarative sentence. The second type is interrogative sentence in which we ask a question or they ask us something. They want information and they always end with a question mark. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence are of WH sound, and it can be written as WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. It can be positive or negative as do you like coffee, or don't you like coffee? Similarly, why did you go will be positive interrogative sentence while why didn't you go will be negative interrogative sentence. Imperative sentences gives a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full stop or period, or exclamation mark and point. The usual word order for the imperative sentences, base verb. Note that there is usually no subject because the subject is understood. It is you. Imperative sentences can be positive or negative. Here are the examples. Stop is a command which is positive and it's implying someone to stop while do not stop is a negative command in which there is prohibition to do certain tasks. Give her coffee is a positive imperative sentence and don't give her coffee is a negative imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotion or surprise and exclamation and they always end with an exclamation mark or point. The usual word order for the exclamatory sentence is what and how. What plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. Look at these examples. What a liar he is. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. With respect to structure, simple sentence, compound sentence and compound complex sentence are the kinds of sentence. Simple sentence. A simple sentence must have a single clause, a single verb which is independent, and it cannot take another clause. For example, I always wanted to become a writer. Here is only one clause and one verb, that's why it is called simple sentence. Compound sentence. A compound sentence must have more than one independent clause joined together by a coordinate conjunction. Example, I always wanted to become a writer and she wanted to become a doctor. Two independent clauses and two verbs are used here. We'll discuss clause in detail in another lecture. Complex sentence. A complex sentence also has more than one clause, but of one them must be an independent clause and the other or others must be a dependent clause. There are also some particular connectors for the clauses of a complex sentence to be connected. Example, I know that you always wanted to be a writer. Here, a dependent clause is followed by a connector and an independent clause. The other way around is also possible. Here is an assignment for you. Your assignment is to write at least 3 examples of each sentence type.